Honor Magic8 Pro with 200MP Periscope and dToF to challenge the Blue King. And October 2025 is truly shaping up to be one of the busiest months for smartphone enthusiasts, because alongside the Dimensity 9500 power Vivo X300 and Oppo's much-hyped Find X9 series, we are also seeing a wave of Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 flagships ready to make their mark. But among them, one of the most highly anticipated is, without a doubt, the Honor Magic8 series, a lineup that industry insiders and fans alike are calling a potential game changer. And according to well-known tipster Digital Chat Station, who recently had hands-on time with Magic 8 prototypes, the phone brings a redesigned center camera module with a fresh flash layout, advanced dToF support for better depth detection, and even mysterious new sensor that Honor is keeping under wraps for now, while early leaks also suggest the phone will be available in classic black, elegant white, and a stunning glaze finish that will make it stand out from the crowd. But the real spotlight falls squarely on the Honor Magic8 Pro, which is rumored to feature a jaw-dropping 200MP Periscope telephoto camera, a bold move that places Honor directly in the heated competition of 2025, where three major smartphone brands are adopting 200MP telephoto solutions, making this year one of the most intense battles for mobile imaging supremacy. And reports indicate that the module size of the Magic8 Pro is comparable to that of the Vivo X300 Pro, setting up what many are calling a direct rivalry between the so-called Blue King Vivo and the newly crowned Honor King, a battle that could define the flagship market this October. And adding to the excitement, Honor's flagship product manager Lee Kuan has already confirmed the leaks, while teasing fans with a cryptic promise that surprises are inevitable. The 200-megapixel telephoto King of Kings will be coming soon. While at the same time, Honor's chief imaging engineer Luo Wei hinted at advanced AiMAGE enhancements, including 10x zoom triggering, promising an entirely new level of computational photography, underscoring that Honor is not just chasing numbers, but also ensuring that its powerful optics are supported by equally intelligent algorithms. And this combination of hardware and software could very well push the Magic8 Pro into the league of true photography giants. Because a 200MP Periscope telephoto camera supported by dToF and AI-powered enhancements is not just about capturing more pixels, but about delivering clearer details, stunning night shots, refined portraits, breathtaking zoom, and cinematic quality video, recording that rival or even surpass competitors. And what makes this even more significant is that Honor is not only stepping up in photography, but is also signaling its ambition to challenge established leaders like Samsung and Vivo head-on. And if the leaks prove true, the Magic8 Pro will offer a unique balance of cutting-edge imaging, premium design, and flagship-level performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, which itself is expected to deliver blazing fast speeds, improved GPU performance, and enhanced AI processing, making it a true all-rounder flagship. And while photography is clearly the headline feature, consumers can also expect Honor to pair the Magic8 Pro with a high refresh rate AMOLED display, slim bezels, strong battery life, and rapid charging solutions, creating a device that is powerful across every department. But the main conversation in the tech world right now is about the cameras, because a 200MP Periscope telephoto setup with dToF depth sensing means Honor is gunning for the very top. And early insiders say that this could make the Magic8 Pro the best zoom camera phone of the year, giving professional-level reach and clarity that can make standalone cameras less relevant for many users. And when you combine that with Honor's growing brand reputation for balancing sleek hardware with innovative features, it's clear why the Magic8 Pro is being hyped as one of the most dangerous challengers to the Blue King this season. And industry observers are closely watching the showdown. Because if Honor delivers on its promises, the Magic8 Pro could set a new benchmark in mobile imaging, forcing rivals to rethink their strategies. And as October approaches, leaks and teasers are only adding to the anticipation, with fans eagerly awaiting the official debut of what could be the telephoto king of smartphones. And one thing is for sure, with bold claims, powerful optics, advanced AI imaging, and a sleek design, the Honor Magic8 Pro is positioning itself not just as another flagship, but as a serious contender to lead the entire smartphone industry into a new era of photography innovation. So get ready for the Battle of Kings this October, because the Honor Magic8 Pro is coming in. This is TechVerse.